For any triangle ABC, show that s multiplied to s minus a times tangent of a over 2 equals to s times s minus b times tangent of b over 2, and that's also equals to s times s minus e times tangent of c over 2. Let us begin. Now, before proceeding, let's talk about a few of the terms that we are using here. We begin by considering a triangle A, B, and C. Now for this triangle, the sides opposite to angle A, B, and C are going to be represented by the letters A, B, and C respectively. And if we take the sum of the three sides, which is going to give us the perimeter of the triangle, and take its half, that gives us the semi-perimeter of the triangle, which is denoted by the letter S in lowercase. Now, we also have the half angle formula. So here we need to specify the half angle formula for tangent of A over 2, tangent of B over 2, and tangent of C over 2. Tangent of A over 2, that's defined by the square root of S minus B times S minus C divided by S times S minus A. Similarly, we have the half angle formula for tangent of B over 2 and tangent of C over 2. So we'll begin with S times S minus A times tangent of A over 2. This is going to be equals to s times s minus a multiplied to the square root of tangent of s minus b times s minus c divided by s times s minus a. Now let's take s times s minus a inside the square root. All we have to do is make it a perfect square, and that means we have s squared times s minus a squared multiplied to s minus b times s minus c divided by s times s minus a. So here we can factor out one s from the numerator and the denominator, and one s minus a from the numerator and the denominator. That's going to leave us with the square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. However, this is a expression which is also referred to as the Heron's formula, and with the help of a Heron's formula we can find out the area of a triangle. That means this can be also replaced with delta, where we can say here that delta according to Heron's formula is given by the square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. Fine. Now we'll start with the next expression, s times s minus b times tangent of b over 2. We have s times s minus b times tangent of b over 2. We get s times s minus b. Let's use the formula for tangent of b over 2. That's going to be the square root of, we have s minus a times s minus c divided by s times s minus b. So if we take s times s minus b inside the square root and simplify this is also going to give us the Heron's formula. So that's going to be s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. We can say this is simply going to be equals to the area of the triangle, and we can also show that s times s minus c times tangent of c over 2, this particular expression is also going to be equivalent to the area of the triangle. So we have successfully showed that all these three expressions are the area of the triangle, so that means they are going to be equal, hence proved.